out here with Bill King from Greenwood Aerial Video. Bill, how's it going?
Hey, it is wonderful, man. It's a beautiful day. A little bit cold out here, but that's okay.
Not too hot?
No.
What are you doing out here at the iMAGINE Festival?
Yeah, so this festival is all about STEAM technology, science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. And so I'm out here just showing people the technology behind drones. I've got a thermal imaging camera, kind of educating kids on body temperatures and what you can do with a thermal camera.
Which one's the thermal?
On the Inspire one.
This one right here, right?
That one right there.
Awesome.
Yeah. So why have a thermal camera on a drone? For search and rescue. Some people use them for hunts.
Right.
All different kind of things. And then I've got my Inspire 2 out here. I use it for a lot of video productions.
Right.
Bought my little toy. I call this my stunt drone.
Is that the Tello?
It's a Spark.
Oh yeah. I've got a Spark. I like the Spark.
I do too.
They're fun.
Yeah, that's my.
They're a blast. I love those things, man. They're a blast to fly.
Yeah.
When you throw them in sport mode, they feel like you're going about 100 miles an hour on them.
That's right. Even though you're not.
Right.
You
They're
get
fun.
That feel, though.
They're fun.
Yeah. I've crashed it and flown it into the snow.
Yeah.
It's bulletproof. It's cool.
There you go.
And I've got my workhorse, the Phantom 4 Pro.
The Phantom 4 Pro.
Awesome.
Yeah, the classic.
Yeah.
So what if somebody was looking to kind of get into drones, what would you advise them to do before they make a purchase? Because some of these are expensive.
Very.
The Spark is a little bit less expensive, but when you go up into the Inspire series, they're pretty pricey. So what would you advise somebody who is like, I kind of want to get a drone. That seems cool. Maybe I'd like to take some pictures or something like that. What'd you say to them?
Yeah, for DJI is all I fly, and it's good stuff.
Yeah.
Even the Spark is kind of expensive just to jump in there,
right.
$500.
Right.
They've got one called a Tello. It's a little less expensive. I have no idea how much, but just buy.
I think it's like $3. It's somewhere around
a little
there,
much just for trying out. So buy a $50 drone off Amazon or something.
Right.
The good thing about those, they don't have GPS lock, so you're gonna deal with the floating and kind of learn the feel of the drone before you get one that doesn't float around on you too much.
Right, exactly. So you kind of take your licks before you take your licks on something really expensive, right?
Right. Yeah. So go ahead and take your licks, get used to flying it, and then you'll know if you love it or not.
Yeah.
I spent $1,500 on my first one, and I loved it.
Now, if somebody wants to fly professionally, right? Yeah. There's a couple different things there. What do they have to do?
The main thing is get FAA certified. It's quite a task. Learning VFR charts and just the law in general. But after that, you're pretty much you're good to go. Just know the laws, know the limits.
Right. And if somebody wanted to kind of make that first bigger purchase, which one would you recommend? Let's say that they're a photographer and they want to kind of go into an aerial platform. They've tested out some drones. They're ready to buy something. What do you think is the one to go with that's just going to be super reliable and kind of cover most needs?
Yeah, the Phantom 4 Pro all the way. It's an awesome drone.
Yeah.
Like I said, it's my workhorse. I've had it for a long time. It's killer.
Yeah.
The Inspire 2 is more high end. That's big time video productions.
Right.
I don't use it for photography really at all.
Right.
So the Phantom 4 Pro would be the way to go.
Phantom 4 Pro, and that one takes video too and everything,
does,
right?
Yeah. And it shoots 4K, so it's good. It shoots good video.
Awesome. Well, Bill, thanks for talking to me.
Thank you,
I
David.
appreciate it. Have a great day.
You too. Appreciate it, man.